Today in our 2017 Toyota Corolla IM, we're going to be test fitting the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system consisting of part numbers RRRRLKVA.These. These are the Vortex Aero crossbars, black in color and are 49 inches long. You can also get these in silver as part number RRRVA.These. We'll also be using part number RRRLKVA. These are the 2500 series legs for the Vortex Aero crossbars. And finally part number DK347, and this is the fit kit for the Toyota Corolla. The Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system is great for carrying a wide variety of accessories on your Toyota Corolla while freeing up space inside your vehicle. This can carry anything from bike racks to cargo baskets to small cargo boxes as well. The bars have an aerodynamic shape to them, and that coupled with the Vortex Aero strip on the top as well as the strip that goes underneath, that's going to cut down all the wind noise and drag while you drive, eliminating the need for fairings that you would have to use for square or round bars. You can use T-track accessories with this roof rack system. You simply remove the Vortex Aero strip, insert your T-track accessory, cut the strip to length, and reinstall that as well. And these end pieces here can be replaced with lock cords if you wanted to, and you can find those on etrailer.com. The end caps are lockable, so this is secure to your roof rack once it's installed. And it's very easy to install. It just simply clamps around your existing rail here at the top and tightens down with this screw in the center. And it does come with a tool to tighten this down as well. From the center of the roof to the top of our bar, that's going to be about 4 3/4 inches high. From the center of the roof to the bottom of our bar, that's going to be about 3 3/4 inches high. So that's plenty of space in between for all accessories that you may be using, because if it's closer, you might have issues of clearance between the clamps that you are putting on here and the actual roof of your vehicle. Also, both bars have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds, but you always want to double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure your roof can take those weights. Now that we've gone over some of the features of the roof rack system, let's go ahead and show you how it installs. We already have our front bar installed on our roof. Here's our rear bar, partially assembled on our table here. And in front, here's all the stuff that's going to come with this roof rack system. We have our leg, the fit kit, the end cap for our bar, our included tightening tool, our end cap locking tool, and the caps for our foot once we're done installing everything, and of course the strip to get our foot to the proper measurement, which we'll get into that a little bit later. Our first step is we're going to flip our bar upside down and install our first leg. How this works is the top metal bracket here is going to slide into this bottom channel. So just line up the slots and push it on like so. At this point, that's where this strip comes into play. You go to your instructions and find the proper measurement, you cut the strip to length, put it in place, and that's where you tighten up your leg. However, for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and measure it out today. Then we'll take our tool, tighten up the bolt in the center here until it's nice and tight. We know it's not going to move. And now we can place our end cap on the end of our bar here as well and secure that into place. Our final step is installing the fit kit here. Everything does have numbers on it, so double check with your instructions to make sure it's going to its proper place and that the arrows on the bottom of our foot pads here are facing the proper direction. These just push into place, very easy. And then with our clamps, you come to the outer portion here and we'll remove the screw and install those. We're only going to loosely tighten this up right now. Before we place our rear bar onto our roof, I would like to explain how we got our front bar to where it is now. Essentially, we assembled it the exact same way that you just saw. However, when we put it into place, how we got it to this point is we measured from the center of the door jamb to the center of the bar. Now we had to put this on first because this is going to determine from the center of the bar back how far our rear bar is going to be setting. And at the moment, we're not setting it down in any particular place, just a general place before we actually make our measurements. Now we'll take our included tool and start tightening it down. We'll get it snug first on both sides, and then go back and forth and tighten it down evenly. And I would like to point out about this tool, you see that it's curved right now. Once you get it tightened down to its specifications, it will straighten out, and this is to prevent you from over tightening it. We'll do about 5 turns each side until it's done. Our final step is to install our end caps. And you take these two tabs on the end here, slide them in, take the keys, lock those into place, and then we can load up our gear and hit the road. And there you have it for the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system on our 2017 Toyota Corolla IM.